Hey, hey, hey. Um, so, this is the other part of the volume lessons that we need to be prepared for before your mini assessment, checkpoint, whatever you want to call it, mini quiz. So, the other thing we have to do is they will give us the volume of a three-dimensional figure. And then once we know the volume, they're going to give us two of the three dimensions, and our job is to find the missing dimension. It could be the length that we don't know, it could be the width, or it could be the height. So there's different ways to do the same thing. So the way I'm showing you both kind of, but the key is you need to take the volume that they give you and divide it by the other two dimensions. So you can do it step by step and divide twice, or you can go ahead and multiply the two dimensions they give you, find that product, find that answer, and once you get that answer, take the volume, make sure you put that under the house, and divide that by the product of the two dimensions, which, by the way, is the area of one of the faces. So, restating that, you can find the area of one of the faces of the rectangular prism. Take that area and divide it into the volume. Okay, so the volume divided by the area of one of the faces will give you that missing dimension. So you do what's easiest for you. The example here I have, and it says here, sorry, these are kind of what I was stating. Number one, you can divide the volume by each dimension. Okay, so that's going to be division twice. Or you can multiply the two given dimensions and divide the volume by that product, okay, which we all know is the area of a face. Okay, so the example I have is, if you can't read it very well, I have a width of 3 centimeters, a height of 12 centimeters, and the length is a question mark. The depth or the length we don't know. That's what we need to find. The volume they gave me was that it's 72 cubic centimeters to fill that thing up. That's how much space it takes. So one way you can do it, if you look over here where my knee's in the way, you can take the volume, 72, divide it by one of the dimensions. I picked 3. Okay, start off nice and easy. So 3 goes into 72 24 times. Now take what's left, which is 24, and divide it by the other dimension, which was 12. And 24 divided by 12 is 2. So here's the key to this lesson. Don't forget the type of unit. What are we looking for on this problem? The length. Okay, so the length is not cubic. I already know the cubic centimeters. That's the volume that was given. Instead, the length is literally just going to be 2 centimeters, or the depth is 2 centimeters going back. So that is literally the answer. So you just want to do centimeters, okay, because it's a one-dimensional measurement. Over here, the other way you can do it is take the two dimensions they give you. So 12 times 3 is 36. Put the volume under the house, divide the volume, 72, by the area of what that would be is the area of the front face or back face. They're the same. So the volume, 72, divided by the area of the front, which is 36, will give you 2 centimeters. Same answer. So just another way to do it. So good luck on this one. Don't forget, the answer is not cubic centimeters, cubic units. They've given us that. It's just centimeters. Okay. Oh, let me see if I have another joke. All right, let's see. I used to have a dog that did magic tricks. It was a Labracadabrador. Okay, nope. Did you hear about the two guys who stole a calendar? They each got 6 months. Cleaning a mirror, cleaning mirrors is a job that I could really see myself doing. With all these people that are sadly enough losing their jobs and stuff, maybe that's something I could see myself doing. Get it? Mirrors? No? Okay. Um, 2 fish are in a tank. One says to the other, "Do you even know how to drive this thing?"